Rodriguez, and I'm going to be presenting the project for week number 5 for advanced structural mechanics, where we are going to have to verify the divergence theorem. The project for this task is going to be define a vector field on our 3D body, the same that we have been choosing for past projects. We're going to have to compute the divergence of the vector field, and we're going to verify the divergence theorem by hand, verifying that the left hand and the right hand is the same value. The body that I have been choosing is kind of an hourglass. It's composed by 2 cones and 2 cylinders. This is the vector field that I chose for this project, and once I compute the divergence, I'm going to get the scalar field, that is this one over here, and I'm going to find the cylinder and the cone function in base of f on x. Over here we are going to be computing the left hand side of this equation, and once we do that, we get a value of negative 2.511. Because I have 2 cylinders and 2 cones, once I calculated, I multiplied by 2 and I got my final result. I use Symbolab to find these values, and once I found them, I just plug them back into my equation and I calculate the final value. And I use the same program to find the right hand side, and I got the same value, negative 2.511. So this is the code with the scalar field and the vector field that I explained before. And once I run my program, I'm going to get the volume and the surface area that I have been getting before, and I'm also going to get the divergence integrated over the volume of the body, that is going to be negative 2.513. Is a very close value to the hand calculations that I just did. Before I finish this, I want to show that my program actually works. So once I run my program, I'm going to be getting 3 figures and a command window. One of my first figure is going to be the vector field. My second figure is going to be the scalar field. And my third figure is just the plot parameterization, and as I showed before, this is the command window with the values and calculations that I explained. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week.